Hi, my name is Yong Wing Yi. You can call me Yong. For today, we are going to talk about how to scan film without an actual scanner. For my rig, I'm going to show you right now how do I do it. Now, this is my light setup, and then I've been writing things around here. This because I'm doing research on how to develop black and white photos. And I found a solution called Caffeinol. By the way, let's talk about this actual setup. Now, first, I do have a video light. It's called, I think it's called Aputure Amaran ALMX, and with a mini tripod. I think you can get it in your place called Dollar Store, or in my place called Daiso 100 yen shop, something like that. And I do live in Malaysia, not Japan, but we do have Daisos. And you need it's gels, is it? They call it the gel, yeah. And there's a what do you call it? Sandy looking gel, and there's another smooth gel. So you are going to use the smooth gel, and in between those I use 4 screws. I'm not sure if you can see this. Yep. Yeah, screws, screws and 2 nuts to secure it further. So over here they are 4 mini magnets, built-in magnets there. So you just have to attach the screws to the magnets, yeah, just like that, yeah. And it will work perfectly. Another thing that I put here is actually a piece of slide for the reversal films. Now you can use other types of things to put here to fasten it. You can use a cardboard or any sort of stuff, yeah. And I use electrical tape to tape this, to fasten this, so they won't move around. Now and for the next thing, you just have to attach it to, yeah, to the light. And let me, for film, a piece of film. Now, all you have to do for this rig is for you to get your slides of film and just slide it. You notice over here I don't put in electrical tape because I don't want it to cling on it. So you just have to slide it in, okay, slide it in and switch on the light. Oh, it's too bright. As you can see, you can do it this way. So you slide it in, yeah, you position it, switch on the light, and for the next thing, you either use a phone camera or any types of camera will do. Yeah, just take that picture and crop it, and that's it. That's how you scan it. If you have a higher quality digital camera like a Nikon, Canon, you can actually boost it up to like 24 megapixels, 50 megapixels. You can even put it raw, so it's a lot easier for you to edit the color. Now to me, I believe this is a lot better than an actual scanner, because like, as you can see, scanners, although they claim that the resolution they have, but somehow it do not deliver as what they have put it in their spec sheet. So thank you for watching. I hope this helps, and if there's any question, I'll try to answer you as much as possible. So thank you very much. I'll see you next time.